I hope you enjoyed the telltale signs when it comes to peer pressure, both at home and at school. But now, on this aspect today, I'm going to concentrate on signs that schools can look out for that suggest a young person has been affected by peer pressure. How can the principal and the teachers know that their students are being affected by peer pressure? One is low school attendance. You'll find that there is missing classes during the day. They just don't attend classes. They decide to sleep or do other things. There is reduced school performance. The performance is declining. Then there is behavior negatively changing around a specific group of friends. They develop a certain circle of friends. They are with those people, with those colleagues whom they have developed a relationship. And you can see they are working as a team. It's a sort of the art psychology. Then you find that they are more likely even to get into trying new things which are not healthy, like smoking. They also display risky or criminal behavior in school. They also get into bullying behavior, and do even worse things. They may get themselves into drugs or alcohol and also try to influence others. Thank you very much. I hope for school administration, you can use these telltale signs to help you to identify students who have been affected by peer pressure. It's Mutia Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach from the YouTube channel A Moment with Rukwaru. Thank you. Have a great day.